Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 4, The Festival of Dolls. In this chapter, we are going to read about a popular festival which is Navratri, and it is also called as Bomai Kolu. After that, we will also discuss a similar Japanese festival which is called as Hina Matsuri. It is also similar to Navratri or Bomai Kolu. In this chapter, we are going to know about two families. One is Mr. Mahesh from India and his daughter Rima, who talks about Bomai Kolu, that is Navratri. And the other family is Mr. Ito from Japan and his daughter Hiyori. She talks about Hina Matsuri, the other festival that is similar to Bomai Kolu, which is celebrated in Japan. Now let us start the chapter. Rima Mahesh's father and Hiyori Ito's father are friends. Means both Mr. Mahesh and Mr. Ito are good friends. Rima lives in Chennai. Hiyori lives in Tokyo, Japan, and is visiting Chennai for the first time. Rima lives in Chennai, India, and Hiyori lives in Tokyo, Japan. And Hiyori was visiting Chennai for the first time. Rima and her father pick up Mr. Ito and Hiyori from the airport. On the way to Rima's house, the two girls start chatting. So Rima and her father, that is Mr. Mahesh, went to the airport to pick up Mr. Ito and Hiyori to bring them back to their home. So on their way back home, Rima and Hiyori start chatting. Chatting means they started talking to each other. I'm so happy to see you, Hiyori. We'll have a lot of fun. The Dashera festival Navratri starts tomorrow, says Rima with a twinkle in her eyes. So Rima, with a very excited or happy mood, she speaks to Hiyori that I'm so happy to see you. This time we both will have a lot of fun because the next day is the festival Dashera, that is Navratri. Navratri, that was the question of Yuri. She didn't understand what exactly was Navratri. It is a popular festival in India. It signifies the victory of good over evil. So Rima starts explaining to Hiyori what Navratri exactly is. Navratri is one of the significant festival in India. That means it is one of the famous or most popular festival in India. And this word is derived from two Sanskrit words, that is Nava means nine and Ratri means night. The Navratri festival that celebrates the defeat of Mahishasura by goddess Durga, which is signified as the victory of good over evil. That means the devil was killed. The devil or the evil Mahishasura was killed by goddess, the most powerful goddess Durga. Do you know what I'm really excited about? The Bomai Kolu. Even Rima added that she said that, do you know why I'm so excited? I'm excited because of Bomai Kolu. Hiyori looks puzzled. She looks completely puzzled. There were a lot of questions in her face, in her eyes. What's a Bomai Kolu? Asked Hiyori. Kolu means display. Bomai means dolls. So Rima starts explaining to Hyori that Kolu means display, means to show. Bomai means dolls, to show dolls. We decorate our homes with Bomai Kolu during Navratri, explains Rima. Then Rima explains to Hyori that they decorate Bomai Kolu during Navratri, that is the decoration of dolls, the images of some god or goddess. We will fix the Kolu steps tonight. And what Rima says that they are going to fix or start their decoration work for Bomai Kolu, and first they will start making the steps for Kolu. We normally set up 7 or 9 steps. So normally there are 7 or 9 steps as you have seen in the image or picture. First, we cover them with a white cloth. And Rima says that first they cover all the steps with a white piece of cloth. Then we arrange different dolls on them according to their size. So according to the size, that means according to the size of the dolls, that is images of god and goddess, bigger ones are placed at the top, then smaller and the smallest. The dolls of god and goddess are always placed on the top steps, and on the top steps and the step that is on the top, they place the images of god and goddesses. We also display dolls of mythological character. Mythological character means some character of old belief. They also include characters or include dolls or statues, small dolls of mythological character, that means old belief. Hyori is surprised. Really? This sounds similar to the Japanese festival Hinamatsuri or Dolls Day. So Hyori says, I'm really surprised to hear this because same like Bomai Kolu, even in Japan, we celebrate the Dolls Day. We call it also as Hinamatsuri. That's interesting. And is it also celebrated in September, October? So Rima asked Hyori. Wow, that is great. So, is the time of celebration also same like Bomai Kolu, September, October? Then Hyori says no, on the 3rd of March. Then Hyori says no, it is celebrated, that is Hina Matsuri is celebrated on the 3rd of March. That means only one day celebration. Please tell me more, Hyori. I'm eager to know. Then Rima says, please, Hyori. She started requesting Hyori to give her more description, to give her more information about Hina Matsuri, the Japanese doll festival. Hina Matsuri is celebrated to wish good health and happiness for girls. Then Hyori starts explaining Rima that Hina Matsuri is a festival which is celebrated to wish good health and happiness for girls, that is for the well-being of girls, females. This festival is celebrated. We arrange 5 or 7 steps too, but they are covered with a red cloth. So as you said that for the Bomai Kolu, you cover the steps with a white piece of cloth, and we do the same thing. There are 5 or 7 steps in our dolls festival too, but we cover it with a red cloth. The dolls of the emperor and the empress are placed on top, and Hyori says that the doll of here they don't display the doll of god or goddess, they display the dolls of queen on and kings. So she says the image or the dolls of king and kings and queens are placed on the top. The other members of the royal including the ladies in waiting, the Guardsmen, officials, and musicians stands a little below. They are all dressed in beautiful clothes. So here he says that the other members of the royal court, like the ladies in waiting, the guardsmen, the officials, the musicians, all these statues are all the dolls of these characters are placed little bit below than the king and queen, and all these dolls are dressed beautifully. Tiny pieces of furniture, musical instruments, fresh flowers, cakes, and sweets are also displayed. So, in the decoration, they include even tiny, small pieces of furniture like table, bed, sofa, this kind of showcase, lamp. So, this kind of furniture, small pieces of furniture are also displayed on the steps of Hinamatsuri. Then some musical instrument also, fresh flowers. They decorate using some fresh flowers. Cakes and sweets are also displayed. Traditionally, mothers arrange the dolls on the steps. Then here he says that traditionally, that means this is their age-old tradition. It's a very old practice that mothers arrange the dolls on the steps. These dolls are never used for playing. So these dolls are actually decorated by the mothers of all the families in Japan, and these dolls are not given to the children for playing. They are valuable and are immediately packed up and kept away from the festival after the festival. So these dolls are very expensive. They are very valuable. Valuable means they are very precious. And so just after the festival, after the celebration of the festival, they immediately pack up the dolls. That means keep the dolls very safely and nicely inside some showcase for the next year to take out and celebrate again. The dolls are often handed down by mothers to their daughters, says Hiyori. And Hiyori says that the dolls are very carefully kept, safely or nicely kept by mothers, and later mothers hand over or give these dolls to their daughters. And similarly, mother got her Kolu dolls, and similarly, mother got her Kolu dolls from grandmother. She says she will pass them on to me. We buy one new doll every year. The Kolu is kept for all the 9 days, adds Rima. So Rima, just after Hiyori, Rima said that same like yours. In our tradition also, it is our traditional practice that mothers is to take care of the Kolu dolls. Means my mother got her Kolu dolls from grandmother. My mother says that she will give me the dolls. These dolls will be given to me by my mother. She was given these dolls by her mother and she will give it to me. We buy one new doll every year. Rima says that every year they buy one new doll and add up to the old collection. The Kolu is kept for all the 9 days, and these Kolu dolls are displayed or kept on the steps, or it is celebrated for 9 days. Do you arrange the dolls yourself, Rima? Here he asks that, do you arrange the dolls yourself? My parents arrange the dolls on the steps. My job is to take care of the floor arrangement. Then Rima says, no, my parents, they arrange the dolls on the steps. They decide where to place and how to place. My job is to take care of the floor arrangement, and her job is to take care of the floor arrangement. That is the decoration of the floor. That's the most interesting part, and I find the floor decoration is the most interesting part. I make models of royal courts as well as towns with market places, police stations, and playgrounds. And so, what Rima does, she makes models or designs of courts as well as towns with marketplace, police station, playgrounds, etc. This year I have got a new park set. So this time there will be a children's park. I have already soaked mustard seeds. And she said she have already soak means kept in water some mustard seed in a bowl. Some mustard seeds she have kept in water. The green sprout will be my lawn, and this mustard seed will get sprouted. It will get germinated and it will get sprouted. So it will be greenish like grass, and that will be the lawn for her park. Lawn means the open area or field for her park this time, announces Rima proudly, and she says this very proudly that this time I am going to decorate or make the model of a park, and in the park the grasslands will be used by the sprouts of mustard seed. You know, Rima, Dolls Day is celebrated to thank the women of the family. So on this day the women relax, enjoying all the. So you know, Rima, Dolls Day is celebrated to thank the women of the family. Curie says that, Rima, as you know, that Dolls Day is celebrated to give thanks, to show the gratitude towards the women of the family. That means the female members of the family are given respect and higher importance during this festival, Dolls Festival. So on this day the women relax. That means all the lady members of the families, they stay in rest, enjoying all the. Specially prepared delicacies like colorful sugary rice crackers, rice cakes, and suchi rice. So Huri says that all the lady members, they relax during this day, and they are given very special treatment in the families. So special items are delicacies means special dishes are prepared for them, and they enjoy these colorful sugary rice crackers, as you it have been shown in the picture you have seen, rice cakes and suchi rice. Suchi rice is a dish, Japanese dish made of rice. During Navratri too, we invite 9 young girls from the neighborhood as special guests and offer them food and gift like bangles and trinkets. So just after Hyori, Rima said that during Navratri is the same. We invite 9 young girls from our neighborhood, from our nearest families, and we give them special treatment. We invite these 9 girls, and we offer them food and variety of food and gift like bangles and trinkets. Trinkets means small jewelry items. I would always wait eagerly for this gift when I was a baby, grins Rima. Then green means what? To give a big open smile, showing all the teeth out. So Rima says that when she was a child, she was eagerly waiting for the gift when she was called in other families, and she used to wait for the gift. Hyori, do you have visitors during Hinamatsuri? Then she asked Hyori that, do you have visitors or guests during Hinamatsuri, during the Hinamatsuri festival or Dolls Day? Do any guests come to you or do you visit anywhere? Yes, mother and I spend this day with our friends. And you? Then Hyori says, yes, mother and I spend the Dolls Day with our friends. And you? What about you, Rima? Rima says, yes, we visit our friends and relatives to see their kolu. So Rima says that we also go to our friends and relatives' place to see how they have done their Kolu decoration. They visit us too. Even they also come to us to see our decoration. We gather in front of the Kolu. So the visitors, they all gather around in front. Gather means get together in front of the Kolu, sing songs and exchange gifts and sweets, says Rima. Then Rima says, we all stand in front of the Kolu, that is the doll decoration, and we sing there. Then we exchange gifts and even distribute sweets among us. Is the Kolu tradition followed only in Chennai, Rima? Then Hyori asked Rima, is it only the celebration that is being practiced in Chennai? No, it is followed in many places in South India. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, they call it Bomala Kuluvu. So Rima says, no, it is celebrated in many places in South India. In southern part of India, in many places it is being celebrated. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, this Bomai Kolu is celebrated by the name called Bomala Koluvu and is displayed during the harvest festival, and they do it during the harvest festival, during the cutting of their ripened crops. Makar Sankranti in January, says Rima. So during the month of January, this Bomala Koluvu is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And look, we have reached my house. Then Rima says, see, that's my house and we have already reached our house. I'm so excited. I shall click many photos to show my friends in Japan, says Hyori happily. Then Hyori says with a very excited face that she's very happy to hear all the detail about Navratri, about Bomai Kolu, and she says she is going to click a lot of picture, lot of photos in her camera and carry all those to Japan and show to her Japanese friends. Isn't it so wonderful? Even if we all live so far away, people of all countries have something common between them, says Rima with a smile. Then Rima with a smiling face, he says that isn't it so wonderful? Is it not a very surprising thing for us that today she came to know that there are similarities between Indian culture and Japanese culture, such a big similarity, but the names may be different, but the way or other it is almost the same. Even if we all live so far away, then Rima says, even if we all live so far away, that means Hyori is from Japan and Rima is from India. So it's a very big distance. Then even if we live in so far distant places, people of all countries have something common between them. So this was the end of the story.